Hi guys, welcome to Kitchen Corner. Today's recipe is how to make Pudina Chutney. Ingredients are curry leaves, chilies, coriander leaves, jeera, pudina leaves, salt, and some water. So I'm going to take a jar. So in that I'm going to put some pudina leaves. I'm adding curry leaves. Now I'm adding chilies. So add chilies according to your spiciness. So I'm adding around 4 to 5 chilies. Now I'm going to add coriander leaves. So now I'm going to add jeera into that. So this is going to be like a green chutney. So the final touch up is the salt to taste. So add little salt. So if you require later, you can add some more. So now I'm going to add little water so that we can grind it well into a thin paste. So you can use this mixture when you make some snacks like bhajis and bondas or any kind of oil dips. So now the mixture is ready. So you can serve this with any snacks items. So please try this recipe and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe.